Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series. We are in lesson number 43, Python coding on Jetson Nano. And in this lesson, I am going to show you why most of the Boolean values are true. It's little confusing because the Boolean values are obviously it's a true or a false, but most of the Booleans are true. Why? Now, if you see, especially in the Python program or any program for that matter, almost any value is evaluated to be true if it has some kind of content in it. Okay, so any string is a true value except a empty string. If the string is empty inside the code, nothing. No, it is obviously it's false. But any string which has got any kind of content in that is a true value. So for example, any number is true except 0, right? Now any list or a tuple or a set or a dictionary are true except empty ones. Let me show you with an example, guys, then you will understand how this is. So let me log into my Jetson Nano. I am already into my terminal window, and let's see some examples of most booleans are true. How? Let's create a new file, nano bool. I'm just giving a random number, nano bool true.py. That's the file name. Okay, now bool open bracket, and then you need to give a double quote, anything, any text inside, say A B C. Okay, double quote, close, and then let's say bool open bracket 1 2 3, any kind of number. It's not a string, guys, so there's no double quote. Okay, now bool. Now let's say I'm going to open up some kind of content which is going to show you the actual value as true. Let's say let's use a square bracket. There is a reason why I'm going to do that. You are going to learn about that. Let's say Hulk, okay, in a double quote, comma, and then a double quote again, Spider-Man or a Spidey, and then I'm going to give, because there is 1 2 3, okay, now let's say Thanos. Okay, double quote, close, and I'm going to close the square bracket and the round bracket. Okay, now let's see the output, print with a method called bool, and what I want to print, let's print double quote ABC. Okay, again a double quote, and then let's say print the boolean value of what, 1 2 3, doesn't require a double quote because it's not a string. Okay, and then print what, bool, the value, whether it's a true or a false. Let's find it out. Let's say Hulk, let me double quote, close it, and then Spidey, double quote, and then Thanos, double quote. Let me close it with a square bracket and then a round bracket, and then again a round bracket. Why? Because you started your syntax of round bracket from the bool, so you got to close the entire thing. Now let's see, I hope this works. Let's see, Control O to save, and then enter, then Control X to exit out of Nano IDE. Let's see if it works, guys. Python 3 bool true.py. There you go, you got it right. Everything is true, true, and true. So this statement is true, right? As I said, most of the booleans are true if there are some kind of text, a content inside, right? So that's how this works, and it's as simple as that. You can just practice this again and understand how, what it means. All the Boolean values are true most of the time it is true, because there is some kind of text inside, right? And that's how it is. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed, you like this video. Do give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.